Hi there. Today I'm going to be reviewing the Aukey 2-in-1 lens set. As you can see, it comes with both a wide angle and a macro lens. I'm just going to go ahead and open this up with my knife. Now, I believe this was about $29.99 on Amazon, but I picked this up during Amazon's Prime Day, and so there was an additional $6 off from the original price. So I'm gonna just take my knife here. There's a little slot here I can kind of make a poke at. And yeah, so, not too difficult to open up. Just have to rip off this cellophane wrapper. The box seems pretty easy to open, I think.
A few moments later.
Hmm. Hmm. Oh, yes! So I see it looks like it's the case for the lenses. It was pretty nice. Well, this comes with some instructions, pretty much just telling you how to detach the two lenses and and I guess how to attach it to your cell phone. And this looks to be the warranty card. Okay, enough of that. So let's take a look now at the inside of the case. So the case opens pretty easily. Let's see here. Looks like this is a cleaning cloth to wipe down any smudges on the lenses. Just seems like a typical normal cleaning cloth. Then we have a carabiner. Not sure what that's for really. This looks to be the back cover of the lens. Now we get to the clip, which holds the lens onto your phone. And in my right hand, we have both lenses. Okay, so now we're going to take the lens and attach it onto the clip. We're just going to spin it like so and make sure it's tight. And that's pretty much it. Now we're going to clip the lens onto the camera. You should be able to see the camera through the lens. That's how you know it's fitted properly. Let's go ahead and try to take some test photos. So these are what photos look like using the wide angle lens. If I take it off right here, you see the difference. Let's switch over now to the macro lens. Just gonna unscrew this piece. Yep, there we go. Now this is the macro lens. And pretty much the same exact thing. We're gonna go ahead and clip it on. After we have the clip locked in place, just gonna try to find something to take photos of. Just gonna use this transformer here. This little guy right here. Yeah, I'm gonna have to clear out some space so we can get it more focused in the middle. Alright, and so there's a photo right there. Let's see what happens when we take the lens off here. As you can see, the background not as blurry as when you put it on. These two lenses definitely don't have the range of something you would have in a DSLR, but it's still something you should definitely consider. One last thing I'd like to point out is that the lens attachment is just one very large clip attached to the glass part of your phone. So you have to worry a little bit about whether or not this will scratch your display. But if you take the lens clip off, you can see there's a smooth part right here that kind of sits flush against your phone. So I don't really see any issue with scratching. So overall, I would say this works out pretty well considering this is just something that's attached to your normal phone. I think the biggest issue is whether or not people want to carry around something that would take up room in their pockets. It seems like that's something that most people may not want to do. If you think a DSLR is too heavy to carry around, then these offer you a little bit more flexibility than a normal camera phone. Well, that wraps it up. I want to thank you for watching this video.